Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Wicked Sisters in Your Dreams palette. Really pretty colors. And I'm going to see what kind of look I can come up with and also see what we think about this new palette. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I already did my brows with the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. And prime my eyes with ColourPop Creme Shadow in Laurel. And I also put on a little bit of a lip gloss, or not lip gloss, but lip balm. The Milani Fruit Fetish and Pumpkin Spice little lip balm. Really good. I'm loving it. The e.l.f. just is a little orange. So this has a little bit of an orange tint, but it's not as much as the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm. So, alright, if anybody remembers my review on the Wicked Sisters Invocation of Spirit palette, you'll remember that the shimmer that I used seemed a little lackluster in my opinion. I love the glitter, the pressed glitter that I used, which I think there's only one pressed glitter in there. This palette has two pressed glitters, so I don't know if I'm going to use the pressed glitters. This I think I'm going to use a shimmer this time. I just want to try them out because I swatched a couple of the shimmers and they swatched really good. So I want to see how the shimmer formula is in this palette. It might have just been that one shimmer was a little lackluster. I don't know. I need to play with it a little, that other palette a little bit more and give y'all a better review of it. Because their mattes were beautiful. The mattes were beautiful and the glitter was beautiful. The only thing was the shimmer was a little lackluster. So we're going to play with this, see what we think about this palette, and get a nice look out of it. And I think I'm just going to do a fall look. I'm not going to do, I've already done a Freddy Krueger look for the year with the Profusion Halloween collection. The first one that I did, it turned out looking like Freddy Krueger. So I'm just going to go in with No Sleep right here. It's kind of a mustardy yellow. And I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. Alright, I am going to add some red in there. I'm going to go into Boiler Room up here. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. And I'm using my Sigma E25 to do that. I used my normal as usual BK Beauty 202 brush for that first shade. As always, it's my go-to brush for the crease. Alright, now I'm going to take Rhyme down here. And I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. Forgot to put my ears on. Alright, Now I'm taking a cotton round with a little bit of micellar water and I'm going to clean up my edges. Alright, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Prime Minimizer, Pore Minimizer. Alright, now I'm taking for my foundation the Oma Beauty Say What Weightless Foundation in Fair Lady T1C. And I'm just going to put this on my brush to blend it out. Alright, now I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Porcelain L150. Using my number 7 powder in light to set that real quick. Alright, so I'm going to try again the Yensa Sunlit Glow Silk Bronzing Base. If I can get it open. Kind of like the Soul Body, but last time I used it I had a little bit of issue with it. But I think I might have used too much when I used it. Alright, I'm going to go under the chin. Down the neck. Not too bad. I'm going to take the Flower Beauty Blush Balm in Pinched. And I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to dip in my Sigma brush and then just go in and blend it out. Alright, and I'm going to try the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Seismic. It's the other one that I didn't use yesterday. And I'm going to use that on the high points of my face. Check that out. I think it looks really pretty. Going over my brows. Going down my nose. Cupid's bow. And on my chin. I do see the glitter in it, but the only reason why it shows up is because it's different colors too. There's like pink and green. But I think it's really pretty. But I'm weird like that, so I like some things that other people think's a little too much. I'm going to take Boiler Room again, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Rhyme. That's the same shade I have on my lid, on the inner part of my lid. And I'm just going to connect the top to the bottom. I'm going to throw on some Thrive mascara real quick, and I'll be right back. I'm going to use the Profusion RIP Liquid Matte Lip Cream in red. Hopefully this kind of matches my red I got going on up there. I'm going to take the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh setting spray. And just spray my face a little bit. Alright, well this is the final look using the Wicked Sisters Cosmetics In Your Dreams palette. I'm going to show it to you one more time. I really think that it's a beautiful palette. I love the color story. I think that the mattes blended out great. I love the transition shade that I use. It's a beautiful shade. And the red as well. The shimmer, I don't know if they did something different, but this Rhyme shimmer is beautiful. It blended out super creamy. I don't know, like I said, if they did something different. Maybe it was just that one shade was a dud shade and wasn't as creamy in the other palettes, and that they either did something different or I don't know, but these are super creamy. I don't know, this green seems like it might be more of the same formula that the other green was. Like maybe they have a couple, like those are metallic and those are shimmers. I'm not sure, but I do love the shade that I used. It was super, super creamy, and that's the kind of shimmers that I like. So I really like the look that I came up with, kind of a fall-esque look. Now, if you're interested in another review of this palette, some different shades, because I used different shades than what she did. Betsy, I don't know if it's Gotcher or Gotcher. It's Gotcher is her last name. Betsy, Betsey is her first name. And she did a wonderful review of this palette, but I really enjoyed her review of this palette. I'm sure you will too, so go check it out if you're interested. She also did swatches, so if you want to see swatches of the palette, she did swatches of the palette as well. So I'm real excited about this palette. I can't wait to dig into it a little bit more. Like I said, I love their pressed glitter formula, so I'm interested to dig into some of these pressed glitters as well. She actually used the pressed glitters in her review, so like I said, she used different shades than what I did. So if you want to see a little bit more about this palette, I think it retails for $28, so not too bad. And as far as I know, it's still available on their website. They also have a lip product that goes with it. It's a red, kind of like the red that I have on. And I think that retailed for like $12. But they also have some stuff that they're restocking soon too. So a lot of fun stuff going on their website right now. But other than that, I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the look as well and the review. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, and taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.